Welcome back from Graphic Extras. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to load and install brushes. Pack 100 from Graphic Extras. They are 3D brushes. Now the brushes are in ABR file format. That's for PC and Mac. For PC the brushes generally are placed in the program files section of Photoshop presets and brushes. So on here I'm on a Mac, so instead of program files it's applications, and you just go down here, Photoshop CC, presets, brushes. Now you want to put the brushes file here, there's the brushes over here, ABR file, just basically drag them into this folder. Now if you don't want to do that, you can actually just load them via the load and replace command in the brushes palette, and I'm just going to go over to Photoshop. Now it could be for CS6, CS5, CS4, etc. as well. And select brush tool and go over to the right there. Brings up the palette, and on the right side there's options of reset, load, replace, etc. Now if you put the brushes into the presets folder, the brushes presets folder, you'd actually see the brushes appear here. You could of course at that point select the brush and they will all appear here. I've actually already got the brushes, the 3D brushes here, but I'm just going to go to replace brushes and just quickly select that, open, and then the brushes just appear. Of course they're already there, so they don't appear twice, but you can actually use load, so you can just load them again and again and again, or other ABR files. So once you've done that, there's also, you can actually just obviously select them and apply them quick and easy like that. Now there are other ways of doing it, and that's via the edit and presets. Preset manager. Now the name might have changed, but it's basically in the preset manager section in the edit menu, and you just go here, brushes. Of course you've got swatches, gradients, etc., and you can then load the file. I already obviously loaded the 3D brushes, but I can of course just go and say load, just select the brushes, and that would load them back into Photoshop. Now in some cases you actually can also use the file open, though personally I've never found that works too successfully. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't, depending on the version of Photoshop. Right, so that's a basic, quick, easy way of loading and installing the brushes. Once you've done that, let's say, you can apply them and use them throughout the application and use them with other brush tools other than just this tool. Right, anyway, I hope you found this tutorial of interest, and hopefully you will subscribe to our Graphic Extras channel, and thank you very much.